Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Skincare Secrets. Now I take my night skincare routine quite seriously, especially because of all the pollution in Delhi. I wear makeup almost every day along with other reasons that causes my skin to break out. Plus I have oily skin which only adds to the nightmare. So my night skincare routine lately has been more specific about treating these issues, and I'm going to share all the products that I use with you guys today. Now let's start with the actual skincare routine. So I start off with washing my face with the Plum Cleanser. So this is a green tea pore cleansing face wash. This one gets rid of all the dust and the impurities. It sort of cleans your pores really well. This has micro beads in it, okay? So that really sort of works up on your skin and creates a nice lather. So you get rid of all the gunk from your face and it gives you a nice canvas to work on. Okay, so once I'm done washing my face with the Plum face wash, I move on to using another face wash which is by Serum, and it's called the Cleansing Foam Face Wash. And this one is specifically designed for people who have acne, like acne prone skin, because it tends to kill all the bacteria that exists on your face, like around the acne or like in general that causes other skin problems. And it also maintains your skin pH balance. I use it after the Plum face wash because that one sort of cleans my face very nicely and this one kills the bacteria. Now the next step in my skincare routine is using a toner, and I use this one by Biotique. It's their Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters, guys, so it's good. I take a cotton pad like this one and I put a little bit of toner on it, and then you wipe it over your face. So what toner does it closes your pores, plus it removes the last traces of makeup or dirt on your skin. Toner gets rid of all of that. So this is the last stage of actually cleaning your face super well. It's as simple as that. Okay, now the next step is to apply serum on my face, and I'm using the one by Psst Derma CVIT serum. So it has a lot of vitamin C, and my dermat actually suggested me to use this one during night time because it sort of gets rid of marks or any imperfections. It comes with a pump like this one. So I obviously fill it with a little bit of the liquid. Then I put one drop on my forehead, one here, and then on my chin. And then you use your fingertips and you just dab it till the time you feel the entire product has been absorbed by your face. Keep tapping, okay? Done. Moving on to the second last step in my nighttime skincare routine, I'm going to use this Night Renewal Gel by Plum. So what you do is you take a little bit, like a pea-size amount on your finger, and then you just dot it on your face like that. You spread it, and don't forget your neck. Then you dab. Done. Now on to the last step, yes. So I use this eye cream by Serum again. So as we all know that our skin under our eyes, like around our eyes, is super sensitive. It tends to get clogged very easily, and we have to take super good care of it. Otherwise, a lot of people suffer from wrinkles, dark circles. I mean, I also do. So this one actually nourishes it, protects it. So you take a little bit on your finger like that, and then you distribute this amount between your two fingers like that. And now you just put dots like that, rub it in circular motion, sort of rubbing and tapping the skin around your eyes because it's super sensitive. Go with a very gentle hand. Don't forget the lids. Yeah, we're done. So that was my nighttime skincare routine, guys. Let us know what you thought of it in the comment section below. And while you do that, do not forget to check out the POPxo shop. We've got some really cool merchandise like scented candles, doormats, planners, and a lot more. So just click on the link in the description box and go shop now. And for more skincare tips and makeup tutorials, keep watching POPxo Daily.